Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Today I am starting out with a bare face because I'm going to be trying out these two products that Culler Beauty so kindly sent me. It is their transforming foundation and their primer. So I thought I'd do a little like wear test and review for you guys. So let's get started. First off, I want to say thank you to Culler Beauty for sending me their foundation and their primer. I am so excited because they sound so cool. All right, so let's talk about the primer first. The primer does retail for $29.95. It is anti-aging complex, paraben free, and fragrance free. This can be worn alone, or you can obviously wear it with your makeup. I really like the packaging, so let's open this up and do a pump. This is their transforming primer, so I'm assuming that this helps with the foundation. So just putting this on my skin, it kind of feels like the NYX primer. I used to use the green one all the time, so this is on my skin. I did moisturize my skin this morning. Now let's talk about the foundation. This foundation retails for $39.95. there are two shades you can get, light and medium. I got medium because I am a little tan right now from the sun. This is the self-adjusting foundation with SPF 50, and it has color reveal technology, paraben free, and it is fragrance free. So I'm just going to apply this foundation like I normally would. So I'm just going to put a little pump on the back of my hand. I really like the pump. So it is white, and I'm just going to dot this on my skin. This is just normally how I, like I said, apply my foundation every day. Kind of smells like sunscreen. It says it's fragrance free, but I think that's the sunscreen. And then I'm going to use my Kat Von D brush. I love this brush. I got it in a BOXYCHARM box, and I'm just going to apply this to the skin. I do feel like I added a little too much. I always do that, and it is a little streaky. So if you do use a brush, just keep that in mind. But I always go in with a sponge after. But I'm looking in the mirror that's behind you guys, and I do see a difference. I am gonna get my eyes, don't worry, in a second, but I do see how it's like the same color as my skin. This is cool. It's very lightweight, like I don't feel it at all, which I really like. So now I'm gonna go in with a sponge. This is just one I got from a BOXYCHARM, and I'm just gonna tap it in a little bit. But like I said, this is a little streaky, and I like to just go in with the sponge just to, I feel like it blends everything together, like locks everything in. But even like here, I don't know if you guys noticed, I have like a pimple and redness. I feel like you could still kind of see the redness peeking through, but it's not like super bad. So now I'm just gonna take like what's left over on my hand and just pat it into my eyes, because I'm not gonna do my eyes today. Next up, I'm just gonna go in with some concealer. I'm just gonna do like the rest of my face. So this is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Fair, and I just like to put this here. I always draw like a little heart on my head. I don't know why. And then I'm gonna blend it out. Pretty much just gonna do my normal face routine because I want to see how all the products work with this foundation. So I'm just gonna blend it out with my sponge now. So now I'm just gonna go with my e.l.f. setting powder, and I love this because you can pour so easily in the cap, and this stuff a little goes a long way, but I'm not going to use as much as I normally do today because it is a Saturday. Normally when I'm going to work, I really like cake this on because of the mask. So I'm just going to do it under my eyes and my forehead. So I just finished up the rest of my face off camera just so I didn't bore you guys to death. One thing I did notice is that the foundation, because I did put it on my eyes, it is sticking to dry spots. I do have really dry eyelids right now. I can't figure out why for the life of me. So I feel like the foundation is not going to be my best friend for the winter, but I definitely do like it for the summer, especially because it has SPF 50 in it. That's awesome. That's really good for when you are going out in the hot summer days where it's, you know, super sunny and you don't want to get a sunburn on your face. But everywhere else, I think it looks really, really pretty on the skin. It is super lightweight and I really do like that. I'm gonna go finish getting ready. It is 10 a.m. right now, so I'm just gonna finish getting ready and I'll do some check-ins with you guys. I'll do like a check-in in maybe in a couple hours, and then before I take off my makeup to let you guys know my thoughts. So it is 2:09. It's been about 4 hours since I put the foundation on. It looks not so nice on my eyelids. That was like my main complaint from before, that because it's really clinging to the dry patches on my eyelids. But other than that, I think it looks really good. I haven't like really been doing anything to where I'm sweating. I just did my like vacuumed and I'm hot from that. But other than that, I think it looks really good. And even like my nose, it looks good. And I made a quesadilla and I put like a lot of hot chili flakes on it and it made my nose runny. Even there though, with just like blowing my nose with tissue, I feel like it still looks good. My final check-in will probably be around 7 or 8 when I take my makeup off and shower. So I'll let you guys know how it went. Okay, so it is 8:30 and I'm about to wash my makeup off. I think that my makeup looks really good. I really love how this foundation did hold up throughout the day. One spot I thought it was really gonna like look really bad in actually was under my eyes. I thought it was pilling up at one point, but it did not. I especially thought it was pilling when I was doing my makeup, but it didn't. It's just, you could see it's really clingy to those dry spots, but I think it held up really nicely. Nose area, like I said before, with the fact that I was blowing my nose, this foundation's really, really nice. I really, really like it. It didn't oxidize, like it really stayed my true color all day. So I'm excited to actually test this back in the winter and see if it still matches my skin. So I may have to do that. Let me know if I should in the comments down below. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this transforming foundation. I think it's pretty cool. The whole concept is really cool in my opinion. Thanks again, Culler Beauty, for sending me your products. I had so much fun making this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.